morning, Serafina. Where are you, Serafina? Where are you, Baba?
She's behind you.
Where's Kuya? So, pupunta kami sa school today kasi nga mayroon silang costume attire today. Italian. What Italian? Italian. Today is an Italian day. So, sasama si Liit. At naka-costume din si Liit. Oh, ayan mo. What are you... Huh?
When it gets sick, I'm gonna bury it.
You're gonna destroy, dirty your gloves.
I'm just gonna put it down.
So beautiful flower, beautiful roses. Look at the beautiful roses I got, my love.
This one's orange and pink.
Mm.
And look at
Orange and pink.
Look at that brown one.
Yeah, because it's already dry.
Can I pluck it?
No, leave it. And about here, look at the beautiful roses around our front yard.
Mommy, why are there some of them not roses?
Yeah, that's jasmine, my love. So it smells good also.
Mint?
Jasmine.
Mint?
Jasmine, my love.
What's mint?
Look at that beautiful roses. Oh, so nice.
There used to be a pathway here. Oh yeah, this is still a pathway. I don't want to get the thorns on me. I got one before on me.
Daddy is coming. Practice time. Come on, practice time.
It's a me, Mario.
What? The next? Let's go.
Let's go.
Woohoo!
Say it properly. Let's go.
Let's go.
Woohoo!
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 Pupunta kami ngayon
Let's
sa
go.
school. Dahil may
It's a
event.
me.
It's a me,
Mario.
At practice. Again?
It's a me, Mario.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
And woohoo! Where's the baby? Woohoo! Almost there! And the shopping center is near to my boys' school. Are we having McDonald's breakfast?
Oh, then I'm missing out.
Karen Jan! This is, I remember this shopping center when I first came to Australia, Daddy. And the first you bought is milk!
First thing you brought.
Oh, for Daddy. First thing he bought this shop when I came is milk. So dito sa Australia, safe ang mga bata. Kaso lang hindi kagaya talaga sa Pinas. Mayroong, ano? What's this? Lollipop man.
No one's wearing this.
Lollipop man. Okay, also. Huh?
Get the boo. Get the boo.
Waiting for Kuya. Finish the event. So, pinaalis na kami. Ayan. Finish the event, Daddy. Yeah. Can you get that? At hindi ko pinicturean
Get
kay
what?
this one. Hindi kasi bawal kasi doon magpicture, so hindi ko na napakita sa inyo, guys. Bawal kasi dito, guys, pag pag may events yung mga bata, magpicture ka o magvideo, so bawal sa kanila. So what is our plan? What is our plan? Are we having breakfast in the McDonald's? Huh? Are we not having breakfast outside? later, my boy. So we're going back home. We're going back home, and Lollipop Man is not here.
This job is finished.
Finish at starting at 8 to 9.
30 or 8:45.
Ah.
45.
Are we having breakfast, McDonald's?
Baby girl. Baby girl.
You buy cake, lagi?
You go and buy it. Go buy it. What in the baby? Maybe that.
Sitting. Someone is sitting.
Bigil ka na. Kaya.
Someone is sitting. Someone is sitting beside mommy. Someone is sitting beside mommy. Wow. This ordering.
What do you want?
So you wanna have coffee? Baba, you're sitting there now, my love. Ah. Baba, Serafina. Serafina. So, ito yung malapit sa amin guys na shopping center. At ito yung unang dumating ako sa Australia ay dito kami unang nag-shopping ng aking habibi. Ayan. At McDonald's. It's 5 minutes away from us. Where's the baby? Punta pala ako ngayon sa shop guys dahil ay pang-apat na buwan ng aking anak today. So tara, let's go. We'll buy a cake. Ako pupunta ngayon sa shop guys. At bago natin punta ng shop, ang ganda ng ganda ng weather today. Sarap maglakad. Sarap mag-picnic din ngayon. Mamaya nga mag-picnic nga kami sa front yard namin dito. Kasi maganda. Nice. Nakat ko na din yung aking mga grass. At look at that. Flowers around. But sadly guys, alam mo no? Alam nyo, may nag-rent sa amin sa bahay. Kaso lang, anong ginawa niya is iniwan niya yung mga tae niya. He making a mess everywhere. Nag-rent siya sa bahay. At nag-iwan din siya ng dumi sa bahay. At ipapakita ko yun sa inyo guys. So, ito yung lesson. May nag-rent sa amin. Umalis na sila guys. Umalis na sila. Hindi man lang nagpaalam. Hindi nagpaalam sa amin kung aalis na sila. Basta iniwan lang niyang mess. At marami pang tae iniwan sa amin. Ayan, dumi. At marami pa kong linisin. Maghanap tayo ng cake. malapit lang naman to sa akin. Malapit lang guys. Kaya, Tara, let's go. So, ever since, dito talaga ako bumibili ng cake sa kanila kasi bukod sa mura, masarap naman din yung cake nila. Tingnan mo naman guys, para siyang ants. And ito yung maliliit lang ang aking bibilhin ngayon kasi it's a months lang naman. So, nakabili na rin ako ng red velvet sa kanila. Masarap siya. At may mga pa sila, tingnan mo. May malaki, may large. But of course, different size, different prices. At ngayon, dahil nabili ko na rin yung red velvet sa kanila at binili ko din last month yung Biscoff. So, ngayon naman ang bibilin ko is yung chocolate hazelnut cake.
What you trying to say to
Mamaya.
Kuya Baba? What you trying to say to Kuya?
Because don't you know what I'm saying?
Tell Kuya. Tell it Kuya. Tell Kuya. Tell Kuya.
And you should have took a video with me. And this guy's saying that.
Siya man na. Baba?
We're gonna clean the table and put this guy there for her fourth birthday.
Our fourth month.
4th month birthday.
Birthday. Is that birthday, my love?
4th month.
That one, my love, there. There. So you choose to do cleaning.
So which one? That one or
That one, my love?
this one?
Mm.
It's not even a table. I don't know which one is what.
Yeah, table. That's
On the table now.
do it well. Oh my God, our plants, my love.
Oh,
What's
damn!
going on? Oh no, the wind. Oh, what? Mommy gonna fix it.
Get you off, and I'm gonna get you off, and you're gonna go in prison.
Alright, we'll check this one here. What is going on here in my garden? Oh no. Please, okra, don't die. I want you to grow. And my radish is coming up soon. My radish, what is in here? Oh, look at that. That's good. Meron akong potato tops. That's good, that's good. Ang aking tomato is doing well. And my chili is doing well also. And look at my roses. My pink big roses. The giant roses. The giant pink roses. Pink rose. See? The giant pink rose. At ayun, yung aking yellow ay nakalbo. Kasi nga,
What happened? This one that's coming on.
nakalbo siya kasi.
Done!
What?
Done! Done!
What happened, my love?
I'm gonna show them the cake. Now, okay, we got that. We're going over here. Mommy, it was off the whole time. I was vlogging with it red.
Ayo.
And you should have told me that. This is lots of our plants. We got cherry plant, we got the orange tree, figure tree, we got some cut down roses, we got some mint, we got our shed. If you wanna have a look at it, it's pretty messy. I hate bugs. Why am I here? There are bugs on me. Got the broken scissors. It might be a knife. This is a knife now. Don't know why.
La, since, what's it there? Ano, tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Ayan, yan ang aming gawa ngayon. Yan, we are in movie.
Amay chuchu. Nagtanawan po siya sa kay mami.
Yan, ang gawain ng...
Okay, ko ang maapil.
Sis, ang dila. Sis, ang dila na yung bata na yan. Good morning, guys. Ngayon pala ay, magkakat ako ng dress. Ano naman ay maliit tayo, guys. I have a short leg. So, at marunong naman ako magtahi. So, puputulan natin to, guys. Kasi nga, alam mo kung sa shop pa to ipapaputol ko. Paputol lang yan, ha? Magkano is $15. Din si Mader. Ay, Mader! Nasaan na yung iyo? Nasaan na yung iyo at ating putulan? Hala, si Mader nandito na nga. Unsa man ni Manita? Tama ba itong sukat mo, ma? Tama ba yung sukat mo? Kasi hindi naman magkaiba naman ang ano. Tama ba ang sukat mo to? Ang isa maliit, ang isa mahaba.
Ambot ba?
Hindi na, ano ba yung legs mo? Pantay ba yung legs mo, Mother? Ah?
Kuha na lang gunagan. Kuha na ra. Ano?
Sigurado kang ito ang mahaba ang sundan ko, Mother? O yung maliit?
Kuha na ang 45. 45 kuha ang kataas.
Ikaw.
Ang kanibang gikan diri sa akong abaga pa dong.
Kasi ang aking pinutol ay 4.
Kuha na. Distansyahin na gamay. Mura man. Nabuo. Ako mong gutang gitanggal kay giiswag na ako ang... Ay! Katuting mubo kang o katong nay mubo. Kini may sok din ng taas.
Hindi mo na bata ko, be. Magtatahi na nga ako, be. Ay. Magtatahi ako. Ngayon, ako magtatahi na. Dahil naputol ko na kanina, guys, doon sa aking plancha. Pinancha ko na para madali. Ngayon, ito yung aking aking tahian.
Imo na dahil nang ako ano.
Oh. Come on, let's go now. Let's go na. Mama na, let's go na, mama na. Go to Lola, go Lola. Go Lola. Go Lola.
Wala chuchuk mo na. Wala chuchuk mo na lang ga. Hindi ko lang. Wala man ang palang ga.
Naubusan ako ng thread. Ayan, guys. Kusa na lang siyang mapupuno. At kusa na lang siyang hihinto. Ayan, at hindi umaanda yung sa baba. Ayan. Mother, ayan ang sukat mo. Isukat mo na ang... How's my baby? Where's my baby? Woohoo! How's my baby? Why, mommy? Why you ignore mommy? Why you ignore mommy? Siya manay. Siya na bata na.